keep bringing that action.
You got a chance to make the play, just tackle him and get him on the ground. You with me? Let's settle down, all right, and just make the plays that come to us. Everybody good?
Yes, sir.
Plenty of opportunities out there to get off the field on that.
Just stick to the game plan. I like it. Get the defense running. And let's play it through. Let the whole line build that wall.
Yeah, ready to roll. Don't be them little things now. The little things, massive.
Downhill, fast and physical. Let's go one together. Let's do it.
Give me 2 or 3 more extra steps.
Only give me
get home.
So this
baby.
Just like the conversation we had in the meetings, right? They got it. They got the joint. And we got it. All right, we got it.
Okay. There it is in this boy. Good finish, Z. Good job, fellas. Good job, man. Way to fight. Good job. That's how you run to
That's it.
Yeah. What I could do, if you really want me to open it up, I can snap. He'll come right with me.
Oh, I thought that was a pick.
We're going to beat them with our physicality and our conditioning, man. There he's also. They don't.
That was number 6. He's a little missile. They're going to try to get that back. Danger on 3rd and long.
Break their backs. Keep it up.
Go!
Great job blocking downfield.
Be relentless, dog. Don't be denied.
We don't turn it over, we win. Boston journey's a premium, right? We don't turn it over, we win. Great blocking, baby. Keep running 3.
You know what I'm saying? Hey,
What we do? Great job. When you go, you can really go.
hey, that's how it was.
Hands, eyes, tackle. That's it. Keep staying at the level to the field and working the